Testing. Greetings, recruits. Welcome to my home, Ride Gru, master villain, scourge of humanity. So, you want to be a minion? Your training will begin soon, but be warned, danger lurks at every turn. Please. Daddy's trying to be evil.
What are you doing?
I am trying.
The cutest puppy in the world.
Now, where was I? Margot!
What? There was a smudge.
I am evil clown. Fear my head, no.
That's enough! Girls, would you please just let me do this?
Oh, we were just trying to keep things interesting.
Okay, just be still. Don't say any more words. These are my daughters. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. Sup, greetings from the television.
Anyway, let's begin. We're going to start with a written exam. The test should take no longer than 3 hours. You will see none of the part.
We're not doing the written exam, remember?
What? We're not? All right, teach that. Here's what you can expect life to be like once you're a minion. I must warn you, it's not always this easy. You'll spend a lot of time in the lab doing dangerous science experiments. And sometimes you'll have to risk your lives facing down ferocious enemies. Well, that was not the best example. Moving on. As part of your assignment, you may need to go deep undercover. Visit exotic locations and be equipped with the latest supervillain tools of the trade. We'll also teach you new languages, like this guy. He's speaking in the international language of farts. You'll learn useful survival techniques, like don't sleep in the snow. You'll be my official food tester to ensure that what I eat isn't too spicy or too poison. You will be a part of history. You'll meet important people in faraway lands that you probably will never be allowed to go to again. But there are plenty of bonuses like unpaid vacations and all the vehicles. Oh, so cool and so unsafe. And the biggest bonus of all, working alongside the greatest villain in the world! You know I meant me, right? I'm sure if that was obvious. Alright, if you are ready to be a minion, welcome to the family! So, do what I say, heed my words, or pay the price!
And have fun.
It's gonna be great.
Come on, smile, Gru.
I hate smiling. This is going to be really fun. For me, you'll all be great minions, I can tell. You want to know who is my favorite minion? You are. Well, you soon will be. So, you're all here because you want to work for me. I usually take this time to interview new recruits one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today. So I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you. Anywho, one moment. This is good. But tell the Fario, add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear that. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions. Months ago, my chief scientist, Dr. Nafario, created a device that could turn everyday boring civilians like you into minions. At first there were a few minor snags, and a few major snags. Although I kind of like that guy, and that guy. I love that guy. That guy really knows how to party. Don't worry, we have finally worked out all of the kinks, as far as you know, and now you go and become a
begin your training, we need to do a routine body scan. Can't have you bring in any human germs into the lab. It's nothing serious. Just some high-density lasers. They're very, very powerful. It will not hurt me a bit. Uh-oh, we have a problem. It appears that some of you have not showered in like a week. Gross. Not naming names, but it's those guys. I'm gonna give you a time crunch and feeling better. But you better shower when you get back to your hotel. And don't go right to the pool. As for the rest of you, if anyone's thinking of backing out, I warn you, I will hit you with my fart gun. Oh yes, I'm packing pistol de payo. Whether it be minions or farts.
Minions or farts?
Ignore them. Knocked out.
Don't be scared of Gru. He's just a big, bold teddy bear.
Yeah, and no way will he shoot you with a fart gun.
Oh, no?
Smells like banana. Banana? Gru, I was wondering if I could give you something.
Oh, sure, sweetie, but can it wait? I'm really behind schedule, and I have to train these guys.
Oh, can we help?
What?
Yeah, we can train him. Come on.
Let me know. I do not think so.
Please.
No, it's very technical.
Come on. You've seen me do it hundreds of times.
Yeah, it's not like it's rocket science or even fourth grade science.
Yeah, a trained monkey could do it.
Alright. Okay, future minions, the girls are going to handle your training.
You people are so doomed.
Oh, don't listen to her. Although she's
Easy.
Good luck, everyone.
You're gonna fail the minion test.
He's going to be
Great,
Do you think he's for real? Of course not. It'll be okay, Agnes. Come on. We have a job to do. Let's do this!
Okay, everybody, see you in the lab.
This is gonna be good.
Stay in your row and quickly move down to the last seat. Each pod seats 4 guests per row.
Let's go, people!
All right, if you're ready to become a minion, let me hear you say banana.
Banana!
Oh, you guys are gonna be great minions. Good luck, you're gonna need it. No idea what they're doing.